is beauty more important than education? Let's have a healthy discussion and share our perspectives. Harsh, let's start with you.
In today's world, appearance plays a crucial role in success. Whether in the entertainment industry, social media or corporate jobs, people judge others based on their looks. Attractive visuals often get better opportunities. Confidence also comes from looking good, which help us in professional and social life.
I decided Harsh, while beauty might give a temporary advantage, education provides a long-term success. A well-educated person can achieve financial stability, respect and influence. Education provides
Both are valid. The beauty can create impression, but the education can build a strong foundation. In careers like modeling or acting, look matters. However, in field, law and engineering, education is only everything, and the balance of both are equal. Both are beneficial for us.
Definitely agree with you, Aradhya. Beauty is subjective and change with the time. But education is permanent. Many great leaders and inventors were not physically attractive, yet they changed the world. Intelligence and skills are far more valuable than look.
That's true, teacher, but we cannot ignore reality because study shows that attractive people are better off and rated in society. Study shows that attractive in workplace, social works, and even in relationship also. Our comparative world can choose sometimes age over beauty.
Yes, Vinny. Tell me, how can we build a meaningful life with education only?
Teacher, by my point of view, it's my personal thinking that an educated person can inspire, innovate and create a positive impact, whereas duty is subjective and it is temporary also. For example, a teacher who educates thousands of students leaves a lasting legacy, while someone admired for their look only may not have same impact.
Obviously, good. Okay, good Harsh. Tell me, what education person can do with the education that he has?
Why not, teacher? I will explain it. A well-educated person can secure a stable job and build a successful future. On the other hand, beauty might attract attention, but there is not a financial security or a personal growth. For example, a doctor, an engineer, a teacher is respected for their knowledge and skills, not depending upon their long-term success.
Okay, Aradhya, can you explain me how education can help you to become a problem-solving and independent human?
Of course, teacher, why not? I can explain you. Education provides the power to people for solving their problems, make them a decision maker, and lead an independent life. Beauty alone cannot help in difficult situations. I can explain you with an example. If a person faces a financial problem, education and skills can help them earn money. But here, beauty cannot give solution.
Okay, Gaurav, can you explain me how respect and influence in society can by the education only?
Surely, teacher, it's my honor to explain you respect, and I want to give you an example also. Educated people give respect toward contribution, and on the other side, the beauty is not doing anything to form of society. You can take the example of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Albert Einstein. They are remembered for their contribution, not for their look.
Okay, Kashyap, I'm going to ask you another question. Kashyap, can you explain me how the advantages of beauty?
Yes, teacher. Actually, teacher, basically the thing is that each and every creative thing have its advantages, and beauty also have, teacher. If you are good looking, so people can attract you, people can agree to your advice. If you are not good looking, so people can disagree to your advice also. They cannot attract you, teacher. With education, you must be have good looking also, teacher.
Okay, just can you conclude this discussion?
And of course, teacher, it's my honor. Great discussion. We have heard the perspectives. To conclude, while beauty may provide essential advantages, education ensures long-term success and respect. The combination of confidence, intelligence, and self-care is a key to true success.
Thank you.